Romeo Beckham, the 22-year-old son of soccer legend David Beckham and fashion icon Victoria Beckham, has confirmed his blossoming romance with photographer Gray Sorrenti. The pair were seen packing on the PDA during a romantic stroll in New York City, marking yet another chapter in the whirlwind love life of Beckham's youngest son. Romeo Beckham has been making waves not only for his famous lineage but for his evolving personal life. Recently, the young Beckham confirmed his relationship with Gray Sorrenti, a photographer and fellow Nepo baby, during a cozy stroll through the streets of New York. While Romeo is no stranger to the spotlight, this public display of affection has solidified his romance with Sorrenti, whose own family ties link her to the world of fashion and photography. Sorrenti, daughter of iconic fashion photographer Romeo Sorrenti, best known for his 90s Calvin Klein campaign featuring Kate Moss, seems to be following her father's footsteps, just as Romeo explores both modeling and football like his parents. The couple's romantic outing drew attention, especially as Romeo embraced his casual streetwear style while doting on Sorrenti, whose chic fashion sense mirrors her professional world. Romeo Beckham and Gray Sorrenti's relationship has been under the radar for weeks, with their connection first surfacing during Paris Fashion Week last month. But this recent outing in New York leaves little doubt that the two are enjoying their time together, even amidst busy lives in the fashion and celebrity circles. Gray, a rising photographer based in the Big Apple, has already made her mark in the industry by shooting campaigns for high-profile brands like Loewe and Saint Laurent. With her impressive portfolio, she has also captured images of global stars such as Jennifer Lopez, cementing her place in the world of luxury fashion. Her talents and connections within the industry mirror Romeo's growing ventures, making the two a fashionable power couple in their own right. Despite being joined by friends during their stroll, Romeo and Gray couldn't keep their hands off each other, stopping frequently to enjoy the city's sights and each other's company. Romeo, dressed in his usual laid-back style of a white vest and baggy jeans, seemed perfectly at ease as he wrapped his arms around Gray, who mirrored his casual look with a matching white vest that showed off her toned abs. Their public appearance has caught the eye of fans, not only because of their PDA but due to Romeo's reputation as a young heartthrob linked to several high-profile women in recent months. His dating history has been a topic of speculation, especially following his breakup earlier this year with longtime girlfriend Mia Regan, whom he dated for 5 years. After parting ways with Mia, Romeo has been spotted with different women, including Amelia Gray Hamlin, daughter of Lisa Rinna and Harry Hamlin, during London Fashion Week, and social media influencer Sophie Julia. These brief encounters made headlines, but his romance with Gray Sorrenti appears more serious, especially as the two navigate their budding relationship with a mixture of privacy and public affection. While Romeo has certainly embraced his social life post-breakup, his amicable split from Mia Regan earlier this year seems to have left no hard feelings. Their 5-year relationship, which began when both were teenagers, ended with mutual respect and friendship, as both publicly acknowledged on Instagram. Mia, in particular, shared heartfelt words about their long-standing bond, mentioning how their love took on different forms as they grew older. The two have since moved on but remain friendly, showing a mature approach to their breakup, which is often difficult under the public eye. As Romeo's romance with Gray Sorrenti continues to flourish, the pair represents a new generation of celebrity couples, one defined by shared interests, artistic ambitions, and, of course, famous family connections. Their latest outing in New York City is just the beginning of what many fans are hoping will be a long-lasting and fashionable relationship. Romeo Beckham and Gray Sorrenti's relationship marks the meeting of two young, influential figures from prominent families, blending the worlds of fashion, photography, and celebrity culture. As their romance continues to captivate onlookers, the duo is sure to make more appearances in both the media and their respective professional fields. With both Romeo and Gray forging their own paths in the spotlight, this budding relationship is already a match made in high fashion heaven. Whether it's strolling through New York or taking part in exclusive fashion events, the couple's love story is one that fans, and the paparazzi, will be following closely.